Good morning. This is Chris Morrissey with House Prospector, previewing homes in Aliso Viejo today. I just walked out of a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, just over 1,800 square foot home, lot size over 3,500. So it's a townhouse, detached townhouse, and a 2-car garage, 2-story. Downstairs, it's really nice. They have a hardwood, I wouldn't say hardwood, but beechwood tile flooring, and it looks really, really nice inside. High ceilings all throughout the lower level. Kitchen and dining room all flow together. You have a half bathroom downstairs. You've got direct access to your 2-car garage out there. Out in the back, it's all bricked in. So it's a small backyard, but it's all bricked in. They do have a gas fire pit on the outside. So it's a nice feature. It's all looks pretty nice back there. Very comfortable. So if you're looking for a place just to kick back and relax, zero maintenance on that. Every once in a while, maybe hose it down, clean it off, but low maintenance on that. Fire pit out there, so real beautiful. The interior, nice cabinets, nice countertops, flows very nicely into your dining room. A lot of windows looking out towards the out backyard. Living room, like I said, has high ceilings, and then you have your staircase that goes up. Now you do have your 3 bedrooms. Your 3 bedrooms, you have master up there, which is a pretty good size. It flows into your master bath. And then down the hall, you have 2 other bedrooms, and you have a full bathroom upstairs. Your washer and dryer are kind of in one of those little closet things up in the second level. So, you know, when you want to do laundry, just boom, it's right there. You don't have to keep on going up and down, and folding and all that stuff. It's all right there. So all in all, this was a pretty nice house. The price point on this is just under $800,000. There again, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, over 1,800 square foot home. I said 3,500 square foot, but it's just less than 3,200 square foot lot. 2-car garage at $800,000. So this is a pretty new community. The HOA is under $30. I think she said like 26, 27, somewhere in that range. So under $30 per month for the HOA here. And the neighborhood itself looks really nice. Everyone has kept up their lawns. It looks very sharp. Like I said, it's all brand new townhouses. These might even be considered single family residence because there is no attachment. So they're probably just single family residents here. So if this is something that would interest you, and it is very close to the toll road, very close. You can either hit the 5 or you can hit the 405 within minutes. And shopping and I want to say entertainment, very close. So that's going to give you a hint of kind of where this is. But anyways, like I said, if you need to get anywhere quickly, toll road's right there, and you can get on the toll road very quickly. So if this is something that would interest you, give me a call, 949-813-9185. I'll get you all the information on it, and get you in here to take a look at it, because once you take a look at it, if this is something that you're in your price range, you're looking for something new, you're looking for something with a 3-bedroom, then this is very nice. It was very nice on the inside. This is move-in ready. So if you're looking for something move-in ready, low maintenance backyard, you might want to check this one out. Hope you're having a good day, and I will see you next preview.